our business is a fun business. Are y'all having fun? Okay, remember, if you're not having fun, you must be doing something wrong. And if it is, the sooner you find out and make changes and do it the right way, the sooner you'll get a bigger check and all of the benefits from forever. I want you to know I'm proud of you all. We had the best year, as Greg told you, the best year ever and forever this past year, because you worked hard. You listened to your uplines and all of the great leaders in forever, and you have made a difference. And so I thank you and say to you, the best feeling you can have when you go to sleep at night is to know that you've helped somebody else have better health with our products, with Forever Living products, and that you have, in fact, helped them to have a better lifestyle. And I have to tell you, to be on the stage here today and yesterday and the day before and see all of the smiles, and I mean smiles, big smiles, of all those people getting checks, because I have to tell you, when I was a boy growing up, when I was a boy getting out of college, when I was working hard at a very good job, but when I got out of college, I never brought home a check as big as all those today. And so I can tell you that I know if I can do it, you can do it. And I want you to know, I am Rex Mon, and I am forever.